retail ready line of hot sauces that we pitch to grocery stores and sell at farmers markets, expos, events, hot sauce festivals, and we also sell online, especially on TikTok Shop. That's our newest venture. I'm very excited about it. It's been about a month so far, and I'm really excited about all the new connections I've made. So if you guys follow me, I will follow all of you back. I am growing my account just like all of you. So definitely hit the follow button and don't forget to tap the screen, show some love. So that's what I'm up to today. Yeah, I'm selling at the farmer's market. I'm sitting in the car while we've got the rest of the booth getting set up. My husband is with me today, so he helps me. Grand Rising, thank you, Gucci lovers, Christy. Charge, thanks for the follow. Following back, like I said, anybody who follows me will get a follow back. Even if I don't get it to you during the live, I go back through and I follow everybody. Thank you. Appreciate you. So welcome everybody, and for all the new people and the people who've never met me before, my name's Maddy and I'm the hot sauce girl. So I'm the founder and CEO of Homesteads, and I love hot sauce. I collect hot sauce, and basically I spend my time pitching my brand. So yeah, appreciate everybody. Good morning, Pinochle. Good morning, Nacho Man. Aiden, thank you for the follow. Following back. Let's see if I missed any follows or questions. Good morning from Miami. Love that. Henry, if you're still with me, my sister lives there. LaJoya, make sure to hit the follow button and stay connected, girl. Caleb, what's up? Sour, thank you. Good morning to Music Academy. Thank you for the follow. Following back. Let's see. Oh, I also missed Crow. Following back. Thanks, guys. Okay. Family, following back. You're hot sauce. Yes, I am. I am hot sauce. Thank you. So I do sell hot sauce. I collect hot sauce. I even grow hot peppers in my own garden. So I am working right now, Ryan. Thanks for asking. I work as a vendor at the farmers market. So pretty shortly, I'm going to take you guys over to the booth where I'm going to show you how we display our products. I'm going to do some samples. Eventually, customers will come. It's really cold today. It's pretty windy. We did have a lot of weather notifications. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate you. What about you? Are you working today? Yes, I work every Saturday and Sunday as a vendor at the farmers markets where I sell my own brand. Jay Helton, thank you. Terry Wilson, good morning. Good morning, Family Wilson. No name required. Welcome, Big Jimmy. Hello. Willie Joe. That's cool, Ryan. I hope you have a lot to look forward to today. What are you going to be up to? Did you do anything for Halloween? Thank you, Jeffrey Jones. We do have some sales going on. We got some bundle deals. Also, after we make our first 100 sales on TikTok, I'm going to do a giveaway to celebrate. So that's our first major milestone. So we've only been here on TikTok Shop for about 30 days now. And so, yes, we are trying to reach our milestones. All the products are healthy, so they're great for gifts for anybody who's watching their sodium intake or their sugar. It's no artificial ingredients. Plus we have a lot of like craft selections. I mentioned I grow peppers, so we even bottle those peppers into hot sauce. So it's called the Secret Garden. No, I'm not in Pennsylvania. I'm in New York City. So we're on Long Island today. I live in Brooklyn. We travel around the 5 boroughs to events, expos, hot sauce tastings, farmers markets. They are gluten-free, Mark. Thanks for asking. Yes, so all the hot sauces are gluten-free. They're vegan. Vegan means that we don't add honey. We don't add any gelatin, no artificial